You have to forgive me, I'm a little bit dirty today because I've been playing with Makita's brand new 36 volt brushless 230mm power cut. Powered by two 18 volt batteries, this demo saw features a whole range of safety features, making it very user friendly. Up front, that brushless motor gives that 230mm blade a soft start, winding itself all the way up to 6600 RPM, and then it's got an electric brake when you release the trigger to stop it. A big safety feature is the active feedback sensing technology. Sensing when it's about to bite, it kicks in, cutting power instead of jumping out of the cut. And there's an overload indicator light just above the battery housing, which illuminates when you're pushing the saw too hard. That's a handy light to keep an eye on because minimizing how hard the tool is working will increase your runtime. Now, I did a runtime test using 50mm thick engineered stone pavers. These things are much harder and thicker than a concrete paver, but the power cut just ate them up. With two 6Ah batteries, I managed 20 cuts, which is a total of 6 meters of total cutting length. Other features include that spring-loaded battery cover, which just keeps mud and debris away from your battery terminals. It's also got XPT. XPT is Makita's extreme protection technology, and it's just an added layer of protection to keep dust and water out of the machine. There's a water supply adapter built in for when you're cutting masonry, and there's a nice bright LED work light up front that can be toggled on and off under your thumb. It's got a max cutting depth of 88mm. It provides pretty impressive performance, and the best part is there's no fumes or pull start. That's the 18x2 brushless 230mm power cut from Makita. Check it out in your local Sydney Tools store or online for more information. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.